And we are live. Cool. Good morning, everybody. It's 4:22 p.m. And we have a lot to talk about today. Don't we?
Yes.
Yes.
So many.
Where do we begin? Let's talk about Tracy. If you guys haven't met Tracy, Tracy's our newest coach. She's been at this for a very, very long time, and she's going to bring a lot of good energy, and she's just going to flat out make you better. She's completely overqualified to coach at this gym, and we love it. We love it. We're pretty excited.
We're very excited to have her on board.
So when you see her around the gym, welcome her. She's just loving every minute of this, and super excited to announce Tracy. She has not secured a regular spot, but that's coming pretty soon. So you guys will be able to reserve spots in her class whenever you want. But right now, for the next week or so, she's just going to be filling in and shadowing. So make her feel welcome. All right. Birthdays. Freaking tons of birthdays.
So many people born in
November. Boy. This is a happy time. Parents were busy 9 months before this, whatever month that was. So awesome. So happy birthday to everybody on this list. We won't bore you guys with this, but happy birthday to all the September babies. Okay, this one is important. We got global assessments coming up starting Monday. Man, that's actually coming pretty quick. We're going to retest all of our levels. If you guys are new here, this is an awesome time to see where you're at. Mm-hmm. If you've been here over the last 6 months, time to level up. We're going to go through every single one of the levels and over the course of 2 weeks. Don't worry about coming on a day. If there's a test that you've already done, we will have an alternate workout. But let's get pumped up, ready to level up next week.
We hand out certificates.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. We're going to throw a party. This is going to be good. Mm-hmm. It's going to be speaking of parties, this one's all you, right? Halloween party.
We all love parties. And this is going to be an extra special one because I expect you all to come in costume.
I'm going to dress up as Brooks.
You can dress up as each other if you want.
You can dress up as Jana, and I'll dress up as Brooks.
We could do that. We could definitely do that. So yeah, we'll have a costume contest and other games and treats. Bring the kids and we're just gonna have fun.
Have fun. Yeah. So Halloween's on a Tuesday. So this is what, Saturday?
It'll be the Saturday before Halloween. Yeah.
Okay.
So hope you guys can all make that.
Very cool. Now what else we got? Okay. So the Prestige Labs Lean by Halloween Challenge is coming up. Sunday is the call. So this is going to be pretty cool. If you guys have not joined the Facebook group, get on the call this Sunday. So it's 8 p.m. Eastern, which will be 5 o'clock our time. Hear all about the Lean by Halloween Challenge. And it's going to be pretty cool. Me and Jana are going to put our own additional little spin on it this time around. But what would you do with 50 grand?
Oof. Oh no, definitely take a nice long vacation.
I'd buy you stuff. I'd buy you lots of stuff. Yeah.
So sweet.
Okay, so get on that call. The flyers are up at the gym. Scan the QR code. Whatever you got to do, get in on this. I know I've talked to 3 or 4 people who are getting in on this time. Pretty cool. This was the same thing that Rachel Kennefic was a finalist last year in this. Pretty awesome.
It works too. You are looking to lose some weight, shred a little bit. It really, really works.
So if you have stalled, this is a really good kickstart. Okay. What's left on my little list? Oh, committed club. Nope, we're not there yet. So we've got our L1, and this is going to be September 16th. So just a reminder, the gym is going to be closed that Saturday for that L1. And so no Saturday classes that day, but it is not too late to sign up for this. I know we have Daniel Gomez is going to go. Rachel and Matt are going to go. And it's going to be really awesome, eye-opening. I talked about it on the Savon podcast. If you guys haven't seen that, that's going to be episode 995. If you guys ever listen to Savon. So All right. I think we are ready for the committed club here.
Yay! Committed club time.
It's a stinking long list.
It's crazy.
It
you
is
guys
a long
just stepped it up
list. There it is.
last month. Like, this is so many more people than it has been the past 6 months. I'm just really impressed at how many people have come to the gym. 16 or more classes. That's 4 or 5 times a week.
But look at the 20. That's even bigger than the 16.
It is.
The 20.
That's like 5 times a week.
Yeah.
You guys are just killing it. So.
All right, so we got Janet, we got Christian, we got Karen, little Maddie, Sandy, Ty, Brandy, Brett, Rachel, Veronica, Daniel, Stacy, Dan, other Daniel, Eric, Steve, Dylan, Kelly, Kyra, Robbie, and Tori. And who's on the other list?
So 16 or more classes. Josh, Matt, Rachel, Caitlin, Michael Taylor, Sam, Sierra, Stephen Herring, Hannah Bremer, Jacob Paul, Olive, Ann, Candace, Casey, Crystal, Melissa, and Seth.
Whew, and Seth was out of town for a week.
Right.
Yeah, pretty crazy. So the fitness is happening. Did we lose one?
We lost a ball.
We lost one. Okay. We were hijacked by a 5-year-old. Okay. So what we got going on here, we decided there's so many people this month. We're going to do 2 prizes. So again, grand prize number 1 is going to be any flavor of Prestige Labs protein. Awesome. And what's really cool is we had a lady come in who was severely lactose intolerant and she can't have protein. She loved this stuff, did not give her the bubble guts. I was really happy. We didn't know. She tried it. It worked.
First place. That's
So our second drawing is going to be the Prestige Labs bottle of Heat. This is the fat burner. It used to be called Burn AM. So they changed the names on this and it is now called Heat. Okay, so I got a full bottle here for
2 prizes this month.
Okay.
All right. So we have the balls. You guys can't see it, but
Jonathan is making sure this is legit.
all right. There's the ball.
Okay.
You want to read off the letter? Read off the letter and the numbers. What's the letter and the number? A 5 and a 2. So G52.
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 G52. Rachel H.
Rachel
H is the winner of Prestige Labs
Woo!
protein. All right, second
Yay.
prize for the Heat.
All right, one more chance to win.
We've been hijacked.
Yes. Okay. What's it?
B8.
Good.
B8, Mr. Michael Taylor.
Michael Taylor.
All right,
Okay.
get out of here.
That's enough.
Okay. All right. Congratulations to Rachel Hagstrom and Michael Taylor.
Good job, guys.
You guys are truly committed, but congratulations to everybody else who made the list.
Everyone.
We're super proud of you. Long show today. We have a special guest who may not respect closed doors, but it's going to be okay. We'll see you guys in the gym.